Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to Google Sheets desktop shortcut. Open the spreadsheet file, click on the menu, and then in the option Cast, Save, and Share, select Create Shortcut. In the pop-up window, you can define the name. To complete, click Create. A browser window will open with your shortcut, and on the desktop, you will see the shortcut to the spreadsheet. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.